Today we're going to be working on our own version of a fluidized bed using parts you can easily find at your local hardware store. The principle behind a fluidized bed is to introduce enough air to the bottom of the chamber to counteract the force of gravity on the sand, making it flow like a liquid. Shown here are the parts that you'll need for this build. A 7-inch long, 3/4 inch diameter PVC pipe, 6 2.5 inch long PVC pipe, 4 18-inch long PVC pipe, 5 3/4 inch PVC T-connections, 5 3/4 inch PVC corner connections, pipe to male thread adapter, PVC threaded coupling, 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch PVC reducer, 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch reducer, a male threaded 1/4 inch quick connect nipple, a standard hot glue gun, a 50-pound bag of sand, a flat storage container roughly this size, PVC primer, PVC cement, a cordless drill, and an 1/8 inch drill bit. You can begin by selecting an 18-inch length and marking every 1/2 inch. I found it was easiest to tape it down to the table before doing so. If you have a benchtop clamp, that would work even better yet. After that's all done, you can proceed to mark out your holes. For the next part, it's easiest if you just leave the PVC pipe secured to the table and drill the holes where you marked them. Now you want to rotate the part so that your new holes that you're drilling will be 90 degrees offset from the old ones. Now coat all the ends of the T's, corners, and PVC pipe lengths that you've drilled with some PVC pipe primer. After that's dried, use the PVC cement to connect the lengths of PVC you've drilled to the T connectors and corner connectors like I do here. As a side note, pay close attention to the orientation of the holes that you've drilled. By the time you're finished, you should have made one of each of these pieces. Now you can prime the rest of the pieces and use the cement to connect them like I do here. Now connect the coupling, reducer, and quick connect nipple like I show here. Now lay the whole thing out to see where you need to make a hole in the container. Make sure the holes are pointed downward to prevent sand from getting it. Now slide in the assembly and use a hot glue gun to seal up the hole you made in the container. After that, you can use the hot glue gun again to secure the corners of the assembly inside of the container. At this point, you can fill it up with sand because you're done with the assembly portion of this project. I used a 40-gallon air compressor for my air source, and I wouldn't recommend using anything less because even with the 40-gallon air compressor, I still only got around 30 seconds of runtime. You'll have to adjust the pressure by using the tool pressure dial on your air compressor. I found that 80 psi was when it worked best. This Fluidized Bed project will give you an opportunity to experiment with different objects that would normally neither sink or float in sand. That's all I have today for this project. If you like this video and hope to see others, please consider liking it and subscribing to our channel.